Designs of vehicles keep on evolving, and the inspiration comes from the motive to improve aerodynamics and aesthetics. Automotive designers combine their matchless skills and knowledgeable experience to come with cars that are practical, comfortable, and visually appealing. Welcome to this new episode of Auto Tech Talk, where I take you through some amazing sports utility coupes from the greatest automakers. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you haven't, so you do not miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk. First on the line is the 2022 BMW X6M. In contrast to its predecessor, the new X6M's Bluetooth technology has been enhanced, and the wireless charging feature has been removed as a standard feature. The competition package has more standard equipment, such as a sport-tuned exhaust, an exclusive track mode, and 22-inch rear wheels. The competition package has more sophisticated leather upholstery and knee padding on the center console for comfort during harsh cornering. The X6M is powered by the same engine that powers the BMW M5 sedan, which is the 4.4-liter V8. It produces 600 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, whereas the competition package produces 617 horsepower. The engine is partnered with an 8-speed automatic transmission that powers an all-wheel drive system. The drivetrain can be manipulated to transfer the power to all the four wheels or to the rear wheels for greater handling. This X6M comes fitted with standard adaptive dampers, which comes in handy on uneven road surfaces. Inside the interior lies a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a large heads-up display. The interior also features ambient interior lighting, massaging front seats with heated and cooled surfaces, heated rear seats, and more. The X5M provides 34 cubic feet behind the row, while the X6M provides 27 cubic feet. The X6M has a base price of $110,395. Next up is the Mercedes-Benz GLC 53 Coupe. One of its greatest features is the acoustic comfort package that keeps the cabin isolated from exterior noise. The GLC 53 features a 9-speed automatic transmission and a standard all-wheel drive. Its engine is supplemented by an electric supercharger that is powered by a 48-volt electric system. When both sets of systems are combined with the 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, they are able to produce 429 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque. The GLC can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds and 103 miles per hour in 13.4 seconds. The GLC has been equipped with an airbag system coupled with active anti-rolls, which aid better corner carving without compromising the comfort of the ride. Both the conventional GLC SUV and the GLC Coupe have a city rating of 18 miles per gallon, but on the highway, the conventional SUV GLC has 23 miles per gallon and the GLC Coupe has 22 miles per gallon. The interior features the integrated infotainment and digital cluster, wood trim beneath the integrated screens, and the AMG version comes with red stitched seats, sports steering wheel, red seat belts, and aluminum accents. A third-row seat is optional. The 53 can accommodate 11 carry-on suitcases. Both the driver and the front passenger can interact with the screen via touch or manipulate it using a click wheel or, interestingly, by voice command by saying, "Hey Mercedes." Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as standard as well as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Safety features of the 53 include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go technology, lane departure warning, and lane keep assist. The price of the GLC 53 is $74,250. The Audi RS Q8 is an alternative to the Lamborghini Urus if you're not in a position to stretch your budget further. It costs about half less than the Urus, though it is about 50 horsepower less than the Urus. New features for 2022 on the Q8 are the safety drive assist features, such as lane departure and lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. The optional executive package now includes traffic sign recognition and intersection assist features. The RS Q8 has a twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 engine that produces 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. It also features a quattro all-wheel drive system with an 8-speed automatic. It also comes with a 48-volt hybrid system to improve fuel efficiency. According to Audi, this RS Q8 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds and reach a top speed of 189 miles per hour. The RS Q8 interior is more or less similar to that of the Q8. What makes a difference is the trim pieces and sporty seats. Legroom for adults is sufficient in both rows of the seats. Tests prove that the RS Q8 can fit in 8 carry-on suitcases and 23 in total when the rear seats are folded. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as standard, also the 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot and the navigation system. Automated emergency braking system with pedestrian detection comes as standard too. The RS Q8 comes at a price of $120,495. The Aston Martin DBX is the only SUV in the model ranges of Aston Martin. The DBX is the ultimate high ride for this luxury British brand, and it does share its identity design with its siblings, significantly with the front grille signature and the integrated taillights that form a beautiful unity and a home for the Aston Martin badge. The DBX features a very contemporary design on the rear, which can be observed by the rear spoiler that is smoothly integrated with the body. It creates a lot of harmony and sleekness. The DBX has adult-friendly space in the rear and very practical cargo space. Aston Martin, like other luxury British automakers, gives their customers the privilege to exclusively own their vehicles via the Q division, which is responsible for customizing some of the vehicle accessories to the customer's preferences. The DBX is powered by the AMG Mercedes-Benz twin-turbo 4-liter V8 engine. The engine is able to produce 542 worth of horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, and it is partnered with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The DBX is fundamentally a rear-wheel drive, but a center transfer case sends torque to the front axle when slippage is detected at the rear. The DBX has a towing capability of 5,940 pounds. Adaptive dampers and height-adjustable air springs come as standard. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds, which is impressive. The cabin luxury is enhanced by the stitched leather, soft-touch surfaces, and a micro-suede headliner. The interior also features a 12.3 digital gauge cluster, customizable ambient interior lighting, 3-zone climate, a heated steering wheel, and heated front and rear wheels. Cargo space is sufficient, with 22 cubic feet available and 54 cubic feet when all the rear seats are folded. The infotainment can be accessed from the 10.2-inch touchscreen. It is controlled from the steering wheel and also through the use of the rotary knob on the center console. The touchpad is optional, which can also be used to navigate around the infotainment screen. Next up is the Tesla Model X with maximum mileage of 333. The Model X can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds and can do a quarter of a mile in 9.9 seconds. This is extremely faster than many of its rivals, both from the gasoline and electric worlds. It has a peak horsepower of 1,020. Since it's electric, you get to enjoy a noiseless ride. The Model X offers a spacious cabin with the world's largest panoramic windshield, and you have a choice of a 5, 6, or 7-seat configuration to suit your lifestyle. Feng Shui is a Chinese cultural phenomenon that justifies the importance of a spacious environment that allows maximum light. By doing so, one uses energy forces to induce harmony and improve one's state of being, and Tesla indeed practices that tradition because of the non-congested detailing and through the use of fine wood and other well-blended furnishes, creating a whole clean environment devoted to relaxation. On the center of the dash lies a 17-inch cinematic display with 2200 by 1300 resolution, ultra-bright, true colors, and exceptional responsiveness. The new center display is the best screen to watch anywhere. Long trips are shortened for the passengers with the wireless gaming. The wireless controllers let you freely game from any seat. Inside the Model X, you get to stay connected with the multi-device Bluetooth, wireless, and USB-C charging for every passenger, with enough power to fast charge your smartphone, laptop, or tablet. All Model X powertrains feature an updated battery architecture that can deliver instant torque at any speed. Front doors open and close automatically. Falcon wing doors allow for easier loading, and a standard hitcher allows you to bring your gear anywhere. The Model X has a max towing capacity of 5,000 pounds and 91 cubic feet of storage. Porsche decided to join the SUV Coupe segment, and instead of introducing a completely new model to their range, they just gave their conventional SUV Cayenne a tweak to its roofline. New on the 2022 Porsche Coupe is the enhanced version of the twin-turbo V8 and myriad chassis tunings. The engine produces 631 horsepower and 626 pound-feet of torque, and with those numbers, Porsche claims that the Coupe can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and complete a quarter mile in 11.6 seconds. Porsche offers the Coupe in diverse powertrains. The gasoline engines include the 340 horsepower turbocharged 3-liter V6, a 434 horsepower twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6, and a twin-turbo 4-liter engine. The GTS model runs on standard 21-inch rims and a lower suspension than the 3 models below its lineup. The Turbo GT features the lowest ride height with its 22-inch sticky tires. Despite the fact that the Coupe has a sloping roofline, its rear seat headroom is equivalent to that of the squareback Cayenne. Its cargo space is 22 cubic feet big. All Coupe models come with panoramic fixed glass sunroofs, as well as 8-way power-adjustable front seats and rear bucket seats. The liftgate is available to aid easy loading, and dual-zone automatic climate controls are all available. The Range Rover Velar can be seen as an enlarged Range Rover Evoque. The 2022 Velar is now even available in plug-in hybrid. The front consists of the traditional geo-pattern grille of Land Rover, with air vents featuring components that direct the airflow for maximum aerodynamics. Its proportions are beautifully balanced. The exterior front expresses masculinity and femininity, which allows us to assume that whether you're a male or female, the Velar is dedicated to you. Flush door handles are also one of the modern features the Velar was ever introduced with. These deployable door handles retract when they're not in use. Their flush design creates exceptionally pure lines, which improve aerodynamic efficiency and reduce wind noise. The Range Rover Velar leads the way in design. It is clean, elegant, and distinctive. It has a striking contemporary presence. The aerodynamic version has copper bumper accents, bonnet vents, and side vents, adding greatly to its sophisticated contemporary look. The interior features a 10-inch touchscreen where the infotainment can be accessed. Features such as the navigation system, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay can all be accessed from there. The lower 10-inch touchscreen allows the operator to adjust the air conditioning system of the cabin. Front seats are heated, as well as a massaging system is present. The vehicle's infotainment system can be updated remotely to help ensure optimal performance. The Velar is equipped with a cabin air purification system. Whenever it senses carbon dioxide, it automatically brings fresh air into the vehicle. Cabin air can also be cleansed prior to departure through the remote air purge function. The plug-in hybrid powertrain comprises a 4-cylinder, 2-liter, 221-kilowatt 4-wheel drive petrol engine and a 105-kilowatt e-motor. The Matrix LED headlights feature an adaptive beam, which dims and adjusts to provide maximum visibility without negatively impacting on incoming traffic. The Velar also has optional driving features. If one doubts their parking skills, worry not, because the Velar comes with a park package. The Range Rover Velar has achieved a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, confirming that the vehicle is one of the safest among the market. The Range Rover Velar has a base price of $90,468. And it's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk.